Welcome guys, in front of me I have iPhone 12 mini and I'm going to show you how you can turn on this device. So at the first, grab your phone, then press on this power button, so keep and hold. You have to keep holding, and right now we can release this button, and after a few seconds our device is going to be turned on. So just wait. And as you can see, right now we are able to use our smartphone. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.